The CAT D6T dozer has earned a global reputation for outstanding versatility. The D6T has the pushing power you want for heavy dozing applications and the fine control you need for finish grading, all in one easy-to-transport machine. A choice of configurations, undercarriage and track, rear implements and blades give you multiple options to put together a machine ideally suited to the work you do day after day. Industry-leading resale value helps you get the most from your equipment investment. The D6T meets US EPA Tier 4 final emission standards. A CAT C9.3 Assert engine gives you the power and reliability you need to get the job done. Improved fuel economy over Tier 4 interim and efficient use of diesel exhaust fluid gives you excellent overall fluid efficiency. Differential steering maintains full power to both tracks for best-in-class turning, even with a full blade load. When one track speeds up, the other slows down an equal amount, so you have better maneuverability and faster cycle times. You also get better load capacity, power and speed control in soft conditions because both tracks are powered during turns. Field-proven system senses the load and continuously adjusts hydraulic power to your blade to maximize efficiency. A single-stage torque divider sends 70% of engine torque through a converter and the other 30% through a direct drive shaft so you get more power to the ground, more efficiently. The radiator, air-to-air aftercooler and hydraulic oil cooler are packaged in a single plane, making cleanout easier. Durable, aluminum bar plate construction gives you superior heat transfer and corrosion resistance. 6 fins per inch on the standard core allow debris to pass through and help reduce plugging. A standard perforated grill helps protect the cooling system. In cooler conditions, the hydraulic demand fan reduces speed to conserve power, save fuel and decrease sound levels. An optional reversing fan is available for high debris conditions. The latest D6T offers operators added comforts like a quieter cab, easy closing cab doors, a heated ventilated seat option, manually adjustable armrests and a cup holder with auxiliary power port. New cab-mounted air conditioning gives you more cooling capability, and removes the condenser from under the hood so it is easier to service. The in-dash display monitors machine conditions in real time. The panel is glare resistant and illuminated for low light visibility. A single ergonomic handle with a thumb roller controls direction, turning, forward reverse shifting and gear selection. Tiller style control helps you work precisely in tight spaces. Electro-hydraulic controls are standard on the D6T. Low effort controls give you precise control of the blade and rear attachments, as well as easy 6-way control of the pat blade. A variable throttle control dial lets you use preset engine speeds, customize engine speeds for operator preference or utilize auto shift modes. Bidirectional shift allows you to automatically select the desired forward/reverse gears and forward/reverse speeds when enhanced auto shift is activated. Implement lockout prevents inadvertent operation of hydraulic attachments. CAT Connect grade technologies help you hit target grade faster and more accurately. Finish jobs in fewer passes, and with less operator effort, saving you time and helping you increase profit. CAT Slope Indicate displays machine cross slope and fore-aft orientation on the primary monitor, helping operators work more accurately on slopes. CAT Grade Control 3D is a factory-integrated grade control system that enables operators to improve grading efficiency, accuracy, and productivity in both production dozing and fine grading applications. The integrated design positions antennas on the cab roof, eliminating conventional blade-mounted masts and related cables. The Accu Grade Ready option is part of the package for added versatility, and auto carry is included to further boost productivity. CAT Accu Grade Ready option allows you to easily install or upgrade to CAT Accu Grade 2D and 3D grade control systems to add versatility and resale value to your machine. The D6T features the Caterpillar elevated sprocket design that helps protect major components from harsh impacts and provides a modular design that is convenient to service. Choose heavy-duty undercarriage for aggressive applications like land clearing, side slopes or rocky terrain. Or, choose System 1 undercarriage that is designed to work and wear as a system for longer life and lower costs in many applications. A broad choice of track shoe designs and widths help you further optimize your machine for performance and longer life. Semi-universal, Straight and angle blades are designed with a strong box section to stand up to the most severe applications. Heavy moldboard construction, hardened bolt-on cutting edges and end bits add strength and durability. The variable pitch angle tilt blade allows you to hydraulically adjust lift, angle and tilt for precise results. The pat blade is wider to take on a variety of applications, so you can use your D6T for spreading material, finish grading, side casting, V-ditching and backfilling. The pat blade can also be angled for easy shipping. Thank you for watching the video. See you in another video.